US Israel Airstrike Iran ki Supreme Leader Ayatolla Ali Khamenei Hatkhre Donal Trump ki MAIKEIDAGI MATHOU TARABADI MAKHA TANA Airstrike CHATTHAGANI HAINA LAOTHOKKHRE Report amagi matung ina atopa Airstrike amadana Iran Defense Minister Amir Hatami amasung IRGC Commander Mohammad Pakpur loinana atopa military official karasu Hatkhre hairi Nakanamarom Iran ki Supreme Leader Hatkhibagi damakta Iran da numit nifuni chupna National Morning Pangthokpada natana numit taret ni shuti laothokkhre Supreme Leader asi leikidaba mahak ki supporters singna pendaba phongdoknarakhi Supreme Leader Ayatolla Khamenei leikidra habigi pau US ki President Donald Trump na ahan boina laothoraki tungda Iran ki MAIKEIDAGI Supreme Leader asi leikidra haina official oina laothoraki bani Iranian state media ki MAIKEIDAGI airstrike na maram oiraga Ayatollah Ali Khamenei ki imung manung mari mata singsu leikidre haina confirm toraki US Central Command ki matung inna America ki airstrike asi akhanaba Iran ki military infrastructure air defense missile revolutionary guard site sing amasung drone launch location sing amadi air base location sing da target tawkhibani hairi Fiba Mazigi Yengduna, European Union gi mifama hayeng pangthoklagani hairi loinana Middle East ki flight service sing matam kharagi oina cancel tawkhre amadi Iran gi anoba Supreme Leader ama khandriba fawba temporary leadership council na Supreme Leader gi thabak sing tawragani hairi Nakanamaromdana Iran gi Supreme Leader leikidabada harauba phongdoknaba kayasu yauri